Hi guys, so today I was thinking it would be cool if I showed you my weekly outfits of the day. So I'm currently in Bordighera. It's right next to Monaco on the Italian Riviera. It's very beautiful, very nice. So yes, I'm gonna show you my outfits and this is gonna be the first one. So today we're going to Monaco to pick up something from Cartier, and this is what I've decided to wear, all white because it is so hot outside. It's just crazy, so I don't want to be sweaty or anything. Then I have my saddlebag, my beautiful navy blue saddlebag in this sort of like caviar leather. It doesn't want to focus on it, right? Yeah, that's better. And for shoes, I have my Chanel sandals with the cute little thingies, like the little charms. I have CC on that foot, and then here I have the clover leaves. This is what I'm wearing. Pretty simple, pretty casual. And I've got this cute little set, my earrings, as well as my cute little necklace. I really love like all thin small jewelry. I don't know, that's just my vibe. Today is the next day and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this Etro t-shirt, my beige shorts that I got off the flea market, and my Dior saddlebag. And for the shoes I haven't decided yet. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. Hi guys, so today is the next day. It's a Monday here actually, and this is the third day of me filming my outfit of the day. So this is what I'm wearing. We are going to Provence. The weather is a little bit cloudy. It's raining a little bit outside, but it's still very nice. And I've decided to wear this cute top from Zara. I got it on sale for 29 Swiss francs, and I love this button in here. The detail is so cute. It looks like this. It's very cute, and I think you can pull it off the shoulder a little bit so it looks like this. Very cute. Then I'm wearing my denim skirt from Zara as well. For the shoes, I'm wearing this Dior. No, they're not Dior, they're just Dior like flats. I got a tiny little heel of like 2 centimeters, so they're very comfortable for walking. Loving them, and they're in this beautiful blush pink color, like nudie color. And I'm taking my Called Gaia bag. I'm not sure if I should take this one or a different one. Whoops, because it's kind of raining outside and it has this hole, so I'm afraid if I put my camera or something something that might be damaged on the rain, I'm not sure if that's a great idea to take this bag today, but it looks cute altogether. And I'm wearing this pearl earrings from Dior. I haven't worn them in such a long time and I sort of miss them because they're so beautiful. So I've decided to wear them today. And I'm also taking my Dior pink sunglasses. Here they are. And they're also pink, so yeah, this is the complete outfit. So good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. It's currently almost 10 a.m. and this is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. We're going to the outlet in Serravalle. It's 2.5 hours drive. I'll be driving. I'm wearing this MSGM t-shirt, my white shorts from Zara, my Chanel sandals, and I'm taking my Chanel mini square because I really want to be hands-free and I don't want to take a lot with me on this trip. So this is my outfit, pretty simple because we'll be doing shopping all day in the outlet, so there is no point of wearing anything better than this. Yep. So today's day 4, I think it's day 4, and this is my outfit today. I'm wearing pretty like basic things in here because we walk a lot. We visit different places that require walking a lot, so I really want to feel comfortable. So I'm wearing my Jadior earrings. They're so gorgeous, I love them. There are 2 different earrings, so here it has a star and underneath it says Jadior, and on the other side I've got this cute little bee. Then I'm wearing my Gucci t-shirt with the 2 tigers. It's super cute, I love it. My Chanel mini square, my Zara shorts in black, my black Chanel sandals, my favorite sandals of all time. They're so comfortable and they're so pretty. So yep, this is my outfit. I'm not sure what we're doing today. Hopefully something fun. But I really have no idea. The thing is, we already visited everything like last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So by now there is nothing really to see, nothing new to see. So we'll see what we do today. But yes, this is how I look, and I'm ready to rock another beautiful day. And also I'm taking my Jadior sunglasses, this one that say Jadior, super cute. And yes, so I'm gonna go now and I'll see you guys with my next outfit. Today is Friday, and I actually skipped yesterday. I didn't film my outfit because we went to the beach, and I was basically like literally wearing my swimsuit, so there was nothing really to show. But this is my outfit today. So I've got this white t-shirt, like very plain, a little bit of a turtleneck t-shirt from H&M. It is so cool. I love it. Then I have my Chanel mini square. Then I'm wearing my long skirt from Sandro. It has this beautiful pattern, and I actually showed it to you during one of my shopping vlogs. I will leave a link up here. I always get confused which side it is on. Let me think. I think this one. Anyway, I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link. So it's such a beautiful statement piece. I think I love the skirt so much, and it's so flowy. And then I'm wearing my Dior shoes, the little bow on the side, so cute. But I'm not sure if I should tuck in my t-shirt or no. I really don't know. The thing is, I don't want to do it because I don't like to wrinkle my clothes, because it takes so much time to iron everything. So I just hate wrinkling them, and I know if I tuck it in and then I want to take it off, it will be all wrinkly and all like ugly looking. So I'm not sure what to do. I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. If I feel like tucking it in, I will do it a little bit later, because we're still not sure where we're going, so it's gonna take some time driving in the car, and I'll just figure it out. But yes, this is my outfit today. The weather is beautiful. It is sunny, hot again. Yesterday was so much fun at the beach. We swam a lot, but the only problem were the jellyfish. There were so many jellyfish, and we had to be extremely careful not to get like, how do you say when they bite you? They don't really bite you, but they like and then they leave a mark. I really don't know how it's called. A sting you? Jellyfish, do they sting you? I'm not even sure. I will double check. But yes, that was the only problem yesterday. But here is my look, and I am ready to go and rock this day. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new one. Hi guys, so today is a Saturday, and this is my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing my dress from Zara. It is so cute, I love it. It's like a shirt dress. Then I have my Dior saddlebag, my Chanel sandals. They're so cute and so comfy, the softest ones. And I'm taking my Bulgari sunglasses. Doesn't want to focus on them. Come on. No. Anyway, these are the sunglasses. I'll just put them on. Here they are. So cute. I love them. And then I have my new Gucci hat. It is so beautiful. Let me show it to you closer. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. It says Gucci. So cute with blue flowers. I love it. We are going to walk quite a bit today, so it's better to protect your head from the sun because it can get really, really hot. So this is my outfit. I'm ready to go. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Hi guys, so this is my outfit today. Today is a Sunday, so I'm wearing this Dolce & Gabbana t-shirt. It's quite long. I don't know, all of the t-shirts are pretty long. Then I have my Evelyn TPM, and this is actually the way I've been wearing it lately. I love it. And then I'm wearing my Zara pants. I've got this cute sparkling line over here, and my Hermes slides.